I just created a video about my pantry. Yeah, I think that is the video I uploaded. Basically, I don't have a lot of things at home, and I also cook some pumpkin soup. So, you know, it's all about the pumpkin, right? I did do that pumpkin video a long time ago. I just amalgamated the video and posted it. So that's basically what I did. I'm drinking carrot juice right now. My son made this one, but I did make one last week which spilled all over the table. We're looking at November to start being a bit more consistent. This is some good carrot juice. Oh, I could feel it all in my eyes. Do you know carrot juice is good for your eyes? Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Darcy. I am so excited that you're actually joining me today. If you're new, welcome. There is a subscription button below, a notification bell so you're aware of when I upload a new video. I am so excited that I'm coming back to you guys. I have been behind the scenes working. I've been DIYing labs, I've been cooking, I've been renovating, I've been doing so much because I wanted everything to look more presentable based on what I want to share with you. Now in today's video we are going to focus on what's in my pantry. I'm just going to slap this video right now, although I have like this skincare line product I want to share with you because I know you could see me looking all fantabulous looking. All my vegan cooking, you know something, today I'm going to put some pumpkin soup on the stove because we're in the month of October. Why are you distracting me? I said I'm doing the video. Someone is calling me. Anyhow, let me hang up the phone. You're actually going to see I hung up the phone on you while I was doing my video, but don't interrupt me when I'm doing my YouTube video. Anyhow, so I'm going to make some pumpkin soup, and what I am also going to show you guys is my pantry. I'm going to show you what I have in my pantry, the different foods that I cook at home, so you guys could get a chance to stick around for all the wonderful uploads I have for you. Now, not forgetting that this video is actually sponsored by Farmville, none other. Guys, you need to check this site out. Also, there is a coupon code below. You could use it from 15 to about 50% off. Anything I use in the kitchen, it is found on this website, and I can't stress how important it is to just go over there and support me. Now let's head into, did you miss me? I know a lot of you guys miss me here. I just made some carrot juice. Let's just head into the fridge. I have some carrot juice here. I made carrot juice yesterday. In fact, my son helped me, so I will be posting these on the channel very soon. But as a matter of fact, let's just head into the video because I want to show you guys my pantry, how my pantry is actually looking right now. We're in my kitchen. As you can see, I have a lot of plant thing going on because I wanted it to be looking a bit more, you know, in tune with what I represent. You guys know I've transitioned my life into living a bit more simple. So what exactly is in my pantry? Let's switch the camera to the opposite side. This way you could see what I cook at home. So basically this is my little kitchen hub here. I'm just going to open up my cupboards and show you guys. Well, this one is basically, you guys know I transitioned my life into living a bit more simple, so you'll not see a lot of like dishwares at my home. You can see this is all my plates and cups and glasses. So this is all I have in my cupboard. Now over here, I just want to show you like my pantry. Basically, I don't have a lot of things at home. This is basically what the pantry is looking like. What I use at home, I use a lot of nuts and like whole grains. Like I have my walnuts in here. I have like my wild rice, my pumpkin seeds. I use my pumpkin seeds for salad. I use my dates for like smoothies, my hazelnut, my almond nuts. I make a lot of nut milks. Here is like, this is like a quinoa and chickpea rice. A lot of nuts. This is a quinoa pasta. I love this pasta so much. If you've seen my Costco haul, you would see that. My beans. I also have like cranberry, my chia seeds. What else do I have here? I have some other raisins, tomatoes, coffee, cinnamon. This is like my macadamia milk, chickpea, black beans. This is a vegan protein I'm using. Up here I have coconut milk, matcha, spirulina, moringa, and more coconut milk. I love keeping them in the jar because you're going to use it. I love storing all my groceries anything that I want to cook, once it's able to be transferred into a container, I always go for clay jars, because when you see it, it means you're actually going to eat it. This macadamia milk, if you haven't used it, you should try it. It's my favorite right now. But the thing is, what I like to do, I like to alternate between like my almond milk, my coconut milk, my oat milk. If you haven't seen my oat milk recipe, there's a link below. I want to create a new oat milk recipe, and I think this time I just purchased cinnamon because I want to try it with a little bit of cinnamon in it. And you know, I wanted to have this nice flavor and also a little bit of vanilla extract. So I'm going to recreate my oat milk and post that on so you guys could get a chance to use it. This milk is really, like, if your kids are nut sensitive, try to do the oat milk for them. My son is not, so this is like, he loves this so much. He has this in the morning with cereal. Chia seed, I want to make, like, I bought, like, my chia seed finished so fast. I just got this chia seed. I want to make some chia seed pudding and show you guys how I make them. I posted it on Facebook. My friend was like, what is that? Why does this look like it is poison? I was like, it's actually a chia seed pudding. I added some nuts in there. I also added some strawberries and some peanut butter, and they're like, what is that? This looks like poo-poo. Anyhow, so this is basically what I have been doing. My matcha, I got this at Costco as well. It is bitter. I used to go to David C to purchase like matcha because I love the sweet flavor, the peach flavor, and I was like, you know something, let me get this. Maybe I could add some sweeteners. This is a very bitter matcha, but it is really good. I got it because of the vitamin A and vitamin C content that is actually in it. So guys, this is actually my pantry. Black pepper, bay leaf, some garlic seasoning, for baking. On the opposite side here, I have this organizer right here. I have more of like things I use regularly. Okay, so I have like quinoa. I have my whole grain quinoa. At the back I have like the regular quinoa. So here, so I have duplicate thing, my cereal. I love using these in cereal, and also my salad. These are the black currants. I have like, oh my goodness, this is what I'm using right now. So this is the soup I am making. Chickpea, lentils, more beans at the back here. I have oil, so this is a quinoa pasta. I've got like a whole bunch of like grapeseed oil, coconut oil. I use two different kinds of quinoa. So this one is actually the whole grain quinoa. This one right here, and let me show you the regular one. This is the regular quinoa. So I use this one a lot. This is why it's all the way here. I use this one a lot. This one I use certain times, like when I need a little boost in energy, I would use the whole grain quinoa. A lot of roasting, a lot of vegetables, so I have enough food to last me quite a bit. The fact is, I purchase things at Costco, so it gives me more than enough, especially I'm on a budget. If you don't already know, I'm doing a journey to save enough money to purchase my home. I've created a new platform for that, that kind of separated everything. Keep this for more of my home cooking, my healthy lifestyle videos, and you could head over to Catalog Home, link below, to my new platform where I'll be sharing a lot of videos with you. Okay, so let's check the soup. Let's see how it's going. I want to roll up some dumpling, cut up some veggies, some onions. Let's put the onions in the soup and head back straight into the video. So I'm going to cut my pumpkin right now. Let's cut up the pumpkin, put it in the crock pot, because while I'm creating this video, by the time I'm done, my soup will be ready to eat. Okay. So this is what my crock pot is looking like. You can see all the greens I have inside of here. See if I could get a little light inside here for you guys. How inside my pot is looking right now. I am just going to put the onions inside of here and then give that a little swirl so you can see. I have lentils. I know you're seeing so much, is like a lot of things is looking different with me, and Guys, I have so much to share with you. This lamp over there, I want to show you, like, let me just zoom in on this light for you guys to see. This DIY this lamp, I want to show you guys that, but it will be on catalog home because I just wanted to separate the platform, right? Anything that has to do with interior decor or the home buying journey will be on catalog home, and anything with my juicing, with me personally, everything that is going on will be on this platform. I want to thank you guys so much for joining me. Let's see how the soup is doing in the crock pot, and let's get back to the video. You know, it's all part of the process of eating healthy. So this is my lentil, my pumpkin, everything is in there. Pumpkin and lentil soup. I'm going to get a glass of carrots right now. I will be posting these carrot juice videos very soon. I made a carrot juice and I also made some carrot and orange, and then for my son's channel he did his apple juice and he made carrot juice as well. So I'm just gonna have some right now. Yes guys, I have been like, trust me, I think this video is definitely going to be long, so if you have something else to do you could go. But those of you who have been asking me to come back on the platform, share everything that I'm doing, I'm just here to share that with you. Trying to start new, trying to start fresh, and encourage you guys to live simple, eat healthy, and let's just keep on the journey to accomplishing whatever goals we have set for ourselves. This is some really good carrot juice. It is, you can see this? Beautiful. I can't wait to share that video with you. You will love it. You will love the different juices that I have prepared. Yeah, it's healthy eating. You can see how flawless everything is looking so far. Like, you've been following me on Instagram. I try to post every week, but I've been a bit inconsistent on YouTube because, you know, with YouTube platform, it is so difficult sometimes to really make a buck. So let's see how things are gonna be. I want to thank you for joining me in this video. I hope to see you in another upload. We're looking at November to start being a bit more consistent. I still have a few more renovation to do. Guys, it was crazy from breaking down stuff to, because again, I'm on a journey to purchase in my home, but as my friend said, you know, you still have to live comfortable even though you're trying to accomplish something. And yeah, I think this is what I am doing right now. I'm so happy that I'm able to be in a space and feel comfortable and speak to you guys thanks to a wonderful friend of mine and my healthy lifestyle journey. So see you guys in another upload. Goodbye.